Now you are seeing the IR sensor real-time monitoring data on a MATLAB using the Arduino and MATLAB serial communication technique. In this video, I show you how you can download the latest version of a MATLAB R2026a, and also in the end of the video, quickly we build this project completely step by step. So follow this channel and like this video. First, you open any kind of browser and search the MATLAB. Then open this first link, MATLAB Mathwork. So that's the official website of the MATLAB, and we are going to be claim the trial for the 30 days and online for in a 1 month you allow the 20-hour online resources. So what is the MATLAB R2026a? This is launched in the last month of the April. They have the 11 biggest changes which are there. First of all, the Simulink Copilot they added, then they enhanced the performance and speed of the MATLAB, improved the live editor and notebook, then they enhanced the data visualization, and in that way they have Python integration, and they have the development made easy and better user experience. So these are the 11th biggest changes in that version. So now we go to be claiming the trial for this version. That is the latest version. So keep in mind you need to be use your Gmail, which is not used for claiming the previous trials. So now we need to be create an account first of all. If you don't have, I hope so you don't have, so you need to be put your email here. Okay, I put my email, and now they ask you for changing the organization license. If you want, then use your university email. So instead of you say that I am using my university email, just click on this continue anyway. Here we need to set our password. I set my password. Make sure you remember that password. When we go into the installation step, then they ask for login. Then we need our credentials for login. They send me the code which I need to be put here. I don't be show you the code because I using my phone for verification, and click on I accept the online service agreement, and then click on next here. Now we move toward creating the Mathwork account, and here we need to be write down our name. You can choose the student from here, choose your department. So what describe your role you can choose, and you need to be tick mark on this yes here because you are at least 13 years older, and then click on next. So location of your university you put here on next. Close that pop-up, and now you are successfully logging in your account. Now we move toward how we can claim our trial. Go and click on this MATLAB button from here. Now this web page is open. There are the option for the online, but we need this 30-day MATLAB trial. So get a trial, click on that button. Then we landed on that web page. Scroll down, and then here we need to be click our city. So click on no here. It's not here for the faculty member. And year of graduation, make sure you put the latest here, and then submit. Now welcome to your free trial of MATLAB. So now they give us the trial. Now click on this install MATLAB offline version. Now you choose the different variants, but it is the latest version R2026a, which I already show you what is the changes in that version. And now our trial is expire in the next month of 23, and we click on the download for Windows, but there are the option for the different operating system. If you have Mac and Linux, you can also download for this, and then click on download for Windows. Installation process is maybe different for the different operating systems, so you can follow that instructions on the internet. So MATLAB installer is downloaded, so we move toward the installation step. So click on run here. This is the WinZip self-extractor, which will extract the files from this zip file. Now click on yes here. So MATLAB product installer is in front of us. Click on the email and put your email. Then click on next. Put your password. Click on sign in. Click on yes here and click on next. This is the licenses detail. Click on next. The designation. Click on next. You can change the location. I'm not going to be changing. Then click on next. Now there are the different products, so MATLAB Simulink and different products, Bluetooth toolbox, so you can download it, but the MATLAB is essential, and other tools we also download when we want. Okay, and again click on next. So I click on this, add a shortcut to the desktop, and then click on next, and after that I say that begin installation. So it's take the time because first of all they are downloading the file, which is 1.97 GB, and after that they are installing it, but both things are happening in the parallel, so don't worry. Our installation is complete. Now closed that. So that is the desktop MATLAB logo. So I double click on it and we'll launch the MATLAB first time. Great, our MATLAB is working fine, and now we move toward our very quickly the project. That project is the serial communication between the Arduino and MATLAB. So it is happening, it is the Arduino with a sensor, IR sensor, and in the second we connected with our PC and laptop on a MATLAB, so we can draw the realistical data in a graph. So that is our project. Very quickly we can do it because that's very interesting project. So there are the applications of this project. Is the real-time data monitoring, you say sensor data logging, control systems, IoT and automations, and robotics. So first of all we need to see the hardware circuit diagram. This is our Arduino, and I use the IR sensor, and we attach the output pin with the 12 number. Here it is attached on the 8, but not on 8, we attach in 12, and ground is with the ground, and VCC on a VCC. Okay, so I show you the physical also. Okay, so that is the hardware. This is Arduino Uno, and that's the IR sensor. It is connected with the Arduino. Their output pin is connected on the 12 number, and this is the LED for indication the object is detected, like that. Okay, so this is connected with the 8 number pin, and other is grounded. So that's the hardware, and it's connected with my PC. So first of all you open the Arduino IDE for uploading. That IDE is used for build the code in the Arduino. So first of all I connect the Arduino. Okay, you may be seeing a screen. My Arduino is connected, and now we go into the tools and we see the port. Now we have the COM4 port for the Arduino, because when I first not connected the Arduino, then that COM4 is not there, and when I connected, then this is here. After that you go into the board, choose the Arduino AVR board, and in this one you choose Arduino Uno. Then it is selected. This is the code. I quickly go through that code. In these above 3 lines, IR sensor, it's connected with 12 number pin, sensor value initiated 0 in the starting, and output LED is 8 number pin connected. Then in the void setup we initiate our IR sensor is the input, our output LED is as a output, and then we serial begin 9600. Okay, and then we in the void loop we say that sensor value, we give this this sensor value is equal to digital read the IR sensor. So they read the IR sensor value and store in the sensor values at that time. After that we invert the logic, because in the IR sensors when the object is detected then the logic is 0, and when object is not detected then logic is 1. That's why we use the invert logic for correction. When object is detected then it is 1. After that we go into the serial println. We could give this command. We say that okay, now print it, and there is the if loop, which is say that if sensor value is equal to 1, then our digital write output LED is high, otherwise output LED is low, and delay is 100. You can click on this, first of all verifying it, and after that you can click on upload, and then your code is uploaded in your Arduino. When your code is uploaded, so you can go into the serial monitor and you see this 0 is displaying, and now I just place my hand near to the IR sensor and they detected it. Okay, So this is detected. Now I show you the graph serial plot. So this is the serial plot on a Arduino. Okay, so you see when the object is detected, then that happen. But don't worry, I just be because in our serial communication with MATLAB, the same kind of graph we are going to be built in a MATLAB also. So I just be stop it here and close it, and after that I need to be close the serial monitor because I want to be use that COM4, remember that, okay, in the MATLAB also. So we open the MATLAB and we create a new file here, create a new script. Now this is the roughly 62 line codes which I place here. The important thing is only this one, the Arduino object serial port COM4. In my case it is COM4. Maybe in your case you go into the Arduino ID and remember that COM, which is the number of that COM. Maybe it's COM5, 7, 6 depended on the numbers on your PC. After that he says that okay, display this message which is starting the real-time IR sensor monitoring, then press the Q to figure window to stop. So that's the instruction. Just after that our figure is open with the real-time IR sensor data type heading X label sample, Y label this is displaying, then the volume we say that minus 0.2 and 1.2. If you understand what that code mean, then you can follow the it's the MATLAB beginner tutorial in 2026 for electrical engineering, and I explain everything in that 6 videos only. So with following that 6 video you beginnerly understand how you can build the graph and how the different functionality happen in the MATLAB which are important. So these are the basic code. Okay, I'm not explaining everything here, so video is going to be very lengthy. Just simply click on this run button. Before it's run, he asks for saving the file, so I just say that IR monitoring, the space is not working, .m. okay, that's my name. Now it's saved and it's run also. So now he said that starting the real-time IR sensor on a command window, press Q in a figure if I want to stop it. But right now I don't want to stop it. Okay, now the real-time it's started, and now when I hold I hold my hand near to the IR sensor, then they detected it and they also display on this, and now they started to be displaying my data. So now see here, I just be place it red LED, and now you see on here it's detecting it. I just be stop it, okay, and now it's stopped. So I hope so you understand how interested the MATLAB is and how you can communicate serial communication between the MATLAB and Arduino. So it's the real-time data fetching from Arduino through like the sensor IR sensor data through the Arduino in my PC and displaying on a MATLAB, and it is also stored in the MATLAB and maybe you can use in the future. Okay, now here I press the Q and now it's stopped. So I try to be put the link of these code in my website, like a write article on that complete video also, serial communication for the IR sensor monitoring using Arduino and MATLAB. So that article link in the description, you can copy and paste the code directly from here, and for the Arduino and for a MATLAB. So that's the complete project. I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe this schematic web channel, and it's give me motivation to create more and more videos. And if you want any kind of suggestion for the next video, please comment down, and I like to see you the next time. Bye bye.